Hello students, hope all you well. Today we are going to discuss some important topics from the chapter Semiconductor Electronics. First, we are going to discuss the VI characteristics or VI graph of forward biasing and reverse biasing. The VI graph of forward biasing and reverse biasing. It's an important topic. Yeah, this is the graph in the upper part which represents the forward biasing, and in the lower part which represents reverse biasing. Yeah, this part which represents the VI graph of forward biasing, in x-axis voltage is plotted and in the y-axis current is plotted. This is the graph, or this is the VI graph of forward biasing. Okay, here you can see a particular point which is known as VK. VK is knee voltage or threshold voltage or cut-in voltage. What's the peculiarity of this voltage? From the graph it is clear that after this knee voltage, for a small change in voltage, the current increases rapidly to a larger amount. That's a peculiarity of forward biasing graph. And in the lower side you can see the VI graph of reverse biasing. In one side current is plotted and in the other side voltage is plotted. Here you can see the breakdown voltage. What's the peculiarity of breakdown voltage? After the breakdown voltage, for a small change in voltage, the current increases. That's the peculiarity of VI graph of reverse biasing. Okay. Here let's discuss about the definition of threshold voltage or cut-in voltage or knee voltage, which can be represented as VK, which is the characteristics of forward biasing. It's already discussed. It's an important topic. Yeah. Again, let's learn detailedly about forward biasing. That's mean the VI graph of forward biasing. Yeah, this graph we already discussed about this graph. Here you can see forward characteristics are the graph between voltage and current of a forward biased diode. Then we already discussed what is threshold voltage or cut-in voltage. Okay. Next, about the reverse characteristics or VI graph of reverse biasing. It's already discussed. Yeah, it's the VI graph of reverse biasing. In one side the current is plotted and in the other side voltage is plotted. Here you can see VBR. What is VBR? VBR is breakdown voltage. Okay. Then next two important terms is reverse saturation current and leakage current. What is reverse saturation current or leakage current? It is the characteristics of reverse biasing of a diode. Due to the minority charge carriers, there's a current flow. That is known as reverse saturation current or leakage current. Then what is breakdown voltage? What is breakdown voltage? Yeah, it is the characteristics of reverse biasing. It is a reverse voltage at which the current increases sharply. Is called reverse breakdown voltage. Next important term is dynamic resistance, which can be represented as RD. What's the formula? RD is equal to delta V divided by delta I. What is delta V? Delta V is the change in voltage. What is delta I? Delta I is the change in current. So what is dynamic resistance? It is the ratio of small change in voltage delta V to a small change in current delta I, and the unit of dynamic resistance is ohm. Okay, yeah. Next we are going to study about the application of PN junction diode. We already, in our previous video, we already learned what is PN junction diode. Now we are going to learn what are the applications of PN junction diode. The main application of PN junction diode is rectifier. That is the PN junction diode, which can be used as a diode. Next we are going to study about application of junction diode as a rectifier. Okay, so what is the rectifier? What is a rectifier? Rectifier is a device which converts AC power to DC power. Rectifier is a device which converts AC voltage to DC voltage. That is rectifier. Then next let's learn the principle of junction diode as a rectifier. Okay, principle of junction diode as rectifier. Do you know what's the reason for using PN junction diode as rectifier? Because PN junction diode shows a unique property that is known as unidirectional property. The PN junction diode shows a property that is known as unidirectional property. Due to that, PN junction diode can be used as rectifier. Then what do you mean by unidirectional property? Unidirectional property means when a PN junction diode is in forward biased, it conducts or it offers current. Why? Because the resistance is less. This is known as the unidirectional property of diode. That's why diode can be used as rectifier. Okay. Next, some important questions. It's already discussed. What is mean by the unidirectional property of a diode? It's already discussed. Next question is, what is rectifier? We know rectifier is a device which converts AC to DC. Then what is mean by rectification? Yeah, rectification is a process of converting AC to DC. Okay, that's all about today's class. So all of you